Hi, my name is Rafael Gaspar, and I'm a postdoc researcher at IPIC. I'm currently based at the Professor Popkov's lab at the School of Biochemistry and Cell Biology. What I research in this project is new ways to produce new luminescent markers to detect diseases and to analyze biological processes. So a luminescent marker is like a car headlight of your car. So if you have traffic in a road, for example, you have different type of cars and they have different types of car headlights. So what I do, I produce those type of luminescent markers for different type of biological markers too. So, and from that, I can quantify and I can detect biological markers that there are linked to diseases or some other biological processes. And this is very interesting because you can tune the luminescent marker, like for each car, you have a car brand or car manufacturer, you have a different car headlight. And for that, you can sort out the biological markers and you can detect them and quantify them. That's most importantly for some biological and biomedical diagnostics. My advice for people who want to pursue this photonic career is that get creative, because you have to think in other ways that you use to think, because you're dealing with different types of fields. It's not only physics, but it's chemistry, biology, and something like that. And the more you think outside of your field, the more input you get from other knowledge, and you can build new things and you can build new knowledge from that. I think that's my advice for who wants to pursue this career or wants to pursue this field.